Have you ever wondered why ancient civilizations were so fascinated by the night sky, particularly the constellations? For as long as we can remember, humans have been captivated by the heavens above. The allure of the night sky, with its twinkling stars and celestial bodies, has always been irresistible, a beacon of mystery and wonder that has sparked countless questions and ignited our innate sense of curiosity. Imagine our ancestors thousands of years ago, gazing up at the same stars that we do today. The night sky was their cinema, their canvas, their storybook. They didn't just see random specks of light scattered across the vast expanse of the universe. Instead, they saw patterns, shapes, and figures. These shapes, known as constellations, were more than mere clusters of stars. They were the material of legends, the scripts of ancient mythologies, and the guides for mariners navigating the endless oceans. Constellations have played a significant role in shaping our understanding of the universe. They are like celestial landmarks, helping astronomers map the night sky and track the movement of stars. With their aid, we've been able to chart our course through the cosmos, unlocking secrets of the universe that would have otherwise remained hidden. But constellations are more than just tools for astronomical navigation. They are a testament to humanity's collective imagination and creativity. Different cultures around the world have looked up at the same stars and envisioned entirely different figures and stories. This celestial tapestry of mythology and folklore is a reflection of our shared human experience, a testament to our desire to make sense of the world around us and our place within it. As we delve into the mesmerizing world of constellations, we embark on a journey, tracing the steps of our ancestors. We'll explore the mythology and science behind these star patterns, discover their significance across cultures, and see how they continue to shape our understanding of the universe. So, buckle up, stargazers, as we set off on this cosmic voyage across time and space through the captivating world of constellations. It's going to be a stellar journey. As we delve into the mesmerizing world of constellations, we embark on a journey, tracing the steps of our ancestors. Constellations, as we know them today, have a rich history that predates modern astronomy. This is a tale that begins with our ancestors, etched in the walls of caves and passed down through generations. Our first stop is in the prehistoric era, where the birth of constellations took shape. Early humans, gazing up at the night sky, began to notice patterns in the stars. They started to group these stars together, forming shapes and figures that mirrored their surroundings and experiences. These were the first constellations, rudimentary yet significant, depicted in cave paintings and rock carvings, serving as a testament to humanity's earliest fascination with the cosmos. As civilizations evolved, so did their understanding and interpretation of these celestial patterns. The ancient Greeks, renowned for their contributions to astronomy, played a crucial role in shaping our knowledge of constellations. They saw in the stars not just shapes but stories, embedding their mythology into the night sky. The famed Greek astronomer Claudius Ptolemy took this a step further. In the 2nd century, he codified 48 constellations in his work, the Almagest. This compilation, which included constellations like Orion, Ursa Major, and Cassiopeia, became the reference point for future astronomers and is still recognized today. But constellations were not just about stories or scientific curiosity, they served as practical tools for early societies. Mariners navigated the vast oceans guided by the stars. Farmers used them as celestial calendars, timing their planting and harvesting cycles based on the positions of certain constellations. In many ways, these star formations were the ancient precursors to our modern GPS and calendars. From prehistoric cave dwellers to ancient mariners, from Greek mythology to Ptolemy's codification, constellations have woven a rich tapestry through human history. They are a testament to our enduring quest to make sense of the world, and indeed the universe around us. As ancient as time itself, constellations continue to enthrall us with their timeless beauty and intriguing history. The story of their birth is a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and the eternal desire to understand the unknown. Now that we know the history of constellations, the question arises, what exactly are constellations? In essence, constellations are imaginary patterns recognized in the stars of the night sky. These patterns, often resembling figures, animals, or objects, are not actual celestial structures. They're simply an arrangement of stars that our minds perceive as a recognizable shape. This is due to a phenomenon known as pareidolia, where the human brain seeks to find familiar patterns where none actually exist. Think of constellations as a cosmic connect the dots, where the dots are stars and the lines are drawn by our imaginations. For instance, when we look at the constellation Orion, we see a hunter with a belt, sword, and shield, but in reality, those stars are light years apart from each other, each in their own unique place in the vast expanse of space. Now you may be wondering, how many of these constellations are there? The International Astronomical Union, the body that oversees the naming of celestial bodies, officially recognizes 88 constellations. These constellations cover the entire celestial sphere, meaning no matter where you are on Earth at any given time of the year, you can see some of these constellations. These constellations are not evenly spread across the sky, however. Some constellations are quite large, like Hydra, the largest of them all, while others are much smaller. The constellation sizes and shapes also vary depending on your perspective and location on Earth. In the grand scheme of things, constellations don't have any significant astronomical value. The stars in a constellation don't have any physical relationship to each other, they just happen to be in the same direction when viewed from Earth. But they have immense cultural, navigational, and calendrical importance. Constellations then are our attempt to bring order to the chaos of the night sky, a testament to our innate desire to make sense of the world around us. So we know what constellations are, but why are they so important to us? Let's dive into the significance of constellations in different spheres of our lives. For starters, in the realm of astronomy, constellations serve as a celestial roadmap. Astronomers use these clusters of stars to locate various celestial objects in the night sky. Each constellation acts as a specific marker, guiding us towards galaxies, nebulae, and other intriguing wonders of the universe. But the role of constellations extends well beyond the field of astronomy. They've been crucial tools for navigation throughout human history. Before the advent of GPS and compasses, travelers and sailors would rely on constellations to guide their way. The North Star, part of the Little Dipper constellation, has been a reliable compass for countless explorers, pointing the way towards the north. Constellations also hold a special place in our cultures and societies. They've influenced literature, art, and mythology for thousands of years. The stories weaved around these star patterns vary across different cultures, but they all share a common thread: a fascination with the celestial world. Take, for instance, the constellation Orion, known as the Hunter. In Greek mythology, Orion was a giant huntsman whom Zeus placed among the stars as a constellation. In Egypt, the pyramids of Giza were built to align with the 3 stars in Orion's belt, demonstrating the constellation's significance in their culture. In the realm of art and literature, constellations have been a source of inspiration. From Van Gogh's Starry Night to Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, where Caesar's wife warns him of the evil stars, constellations have played pivotal roles. So, you see, constellations are not just clusters of stars, they're a bridge connecting us to the universe and to our past. They guide us, inspire us, and feed our curiosity about the cosmos. Constellations thus play an integral role not just in the field of astronomy but also in our everyday lives. In the modern era, constellations continue to capture our imagination and inspire us. These celestial patterns, etched in the tapestry of the night sky, have transitioned from ancient navigational aids to modern scientific tools and sources of entertainment. Just think about it. When space missions are planned, constellations serve as a map of the cosmos. Astronauts and astronomers use them to orient spacecrafts and navigate the vast expanse of space. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, is often pointed towards specific constellations to capture detailed images of galaxies and nebulae tucked away in these starry clusters. And who hasn't marveled at the dazzling display of a planetarium show? Planetariums across the globe use constellations as the basis for their shows, leading spectators on a mesmerizing journey through the cosmos, one constellation at a time. Now let's briefly touch on some of the most famous constellations. Orion, the Hunter, is a winter constellation visible from almost every inhabited corner of the world. Its belt, a straight line of 3 stars, is a distinctive feature that has captured human fascination for millennia. Then there's Ursa Major, or the Great Bear, home to the Big Dipper, an asterism that has guided explorers and travelers for centuries. And of course we can't forget the 12 constellations of the zodiac. These bands of stars through which the sun, moon, and planets appear to travel hold a special place in our hearts and minds. They've influenced everything from astrology to art and literature, leaving an indelible mark on human culture. So, you see, constellations are far from obsolete. They're vibrant, dynamic, and deeply intertwined with our lives. In the vastness of the universe, constellations provide us with a sense of familiarity, a connection to our past, and a guide for our future explorations. From the silent sentinels of the sky, we've drawn maps, spun stories, and found inspiration. And as we continue to gaze upwards, who knows what new discoveries the constellations might lead us to.